Viewers all over the world, as you all know, my names are Ogbuefi, Eze-Ana, ugochitubelu, oraifite. I hope you have seen this picture. Yes, it's a trending picture. But before I do this, what I want to pick there is determination in every given opportunity. In every given opportunity, then make sure you are bringing something very unique. Always determine what you want to be in life and work it out. Work those things out. Determine all you need in life and work it out. I want to give you a picture, show you a picture of a woman. This particular woman is joined these Protestants, those people protesting against bad government in Nigeria. But this woman, with her own mind, he came with an empty pot. She came with an empty pot, saying there is no food in the pot, that she's hungry. And that her action, the way she acted it, attract interview. BBC, they interviewed her. And because of what she put, the action she put, and what she believed in, made her popular. Today, as we speak, what I saw in social media, some people are promising up to 5 million. I know I saw one post that promising up to 5 million naira to this particular woman if anybody can find that woman. So what am I saying in essence? In life, seize every opportunity. It's all about your determination. What you want to make out of every given opportunity. In every given opportunity you believe in, then work it out. If the woman did not put that action, what she's getting now, millions of naira she's getting now, she will not get them. Example, had it been the woman decided that she's hungry, she's at home, she's not put into action, a unique action for that matter, she will not be noticed. Remember Matthew 7:7 says, Your igayota kuoka, I am ready. Your igayota choigatuta. Ask, seek, knock, it shall be open. So it means in life, for you to get what you want, you must take an action. That is what I want to take home message from that particular incident. The take home message is, in life, know it from today, that if you fold your hand, that luck will not find you. You must take an action. So watch the picture now and tell me what is your take on it. Because she was hungry like other people, but she made take an action and her voice was heard. So in life, always learn how to take action so that your voice will be heard, whether spiritual or physical. You have seen it. This woman is not the only one protested, but her picture is still trending now because of her the uniqueness, how he presented everything. So I hope you have learned something from this. Thank you.